Hi friends, welcome to Arnav. Today is the 40th episode in the geography series. So today we are going to discuss the country of, guess it, Mali. So today we are going to discuss about the country of Mali. So Mali is a landlocked country in Western Africa. So in the part of Africa where it comes like a bulge in the front. Yes. So it is the 8th largest country in Africa and the 23rd largest country in the world. Yes, its area is 1,240,000 square kilometers. Yes, it is a very pretty big country. Yes. So the population of Mali is 21.9 million people. Yes. So we can say it as 22 million people instead of 21.9 because they are just close numbers, right? So they are not that far away. So yeah, it also has a pretty large population. Then the other, then the other countries next to it. Yes. Okay. So the capital and largest city is Bamako, which is in southern Mali. Yes. So Mali consists of 8 main regions. Yes. The country's southern part is in the Sudanese savanna, where the majority of the people live. Okay, so let's once take marker. So think of that as Mali. Okay, so from Sudan to this part, to the edge of the Western Africa, there would be large savannas. These are known as the Sudanese savannas. So, in the middle of Mali, these Sudanese savannas pass through. Yes. So, yeah. So, those are very important for Mali because most of the people live in those savannas only. Yes. So, okay. So, both the Niger and Senegal rivers pass through Mali only. So, both of these rivers go through Mali like this. Yes. So, okay. The official language here is French because, again, like most of the countries in Western Africa, it was colonized by the country of France. Yes. So, a lot of territory in Western Africa was only colonized by France. Just small amounts of other countries like Britain or for some time Germany was also there, but it was gone. And also Italy and another independent country known as Liberia, which stayed independent forever. Yes. Okay. So the ethnic groups are 33.3% Bambora, next 13.3% Fula, next 9.6% Soninka, next another 9.6% Va, another 8.8% Malinke, 8.7% Dogon, and so on. So there are many other ethnic groups in Mali. Yes. Okay. So the religion in Mali is 95% Islam, and also there are 5% other religions. So most of the population follows Islam only. Yes. So so the currency is the West African CFA franc. Yes. So lots of countries in that relative area use that currency only, the West African CFA franc. Yes. So okay. So present day Mali was once part of 3 extremely powerful and wealthy West African empires. So they were the Ghana Empire, the Mali Empire, and the Songhai Empire. So to show them, I will use the blue marker. Okay. So around this area was the Ghana Empire. It was very rich and it is like rich only. So it is named after Ghana, but actually the country of Ghana doesn't even come in this relative area. Okay. So next is the larger Mali Empire, which even touched the coast a bit there. So it was the wealthiest of all of them. So it had the most wealthiest person ever in human history, whose name was Mansa Musa. He was the king of the of this kingdom or the empire, so of the Mali Empire. So once he went on pilgrimage to the other Arabian lands in the north, in the Maghreb region. So there, if he saw anybody poor or homeless, then he would give those homeless people pure gold. Yes, because of that, the value of gold decreased. Yes, it was like a waterfall, but instead of the water, it was the value of gold. Yes, okay. And finally, the Songhai Empire. It was one of the largest empires ever in African history. So it went up to there. So this Songhai Empire conquered all of the Mali Empire at that time. Yes, they were even bigger. So the meaning of Mali is the place where the king lives. Yes, once the king lived, but now there is no king. It is not a monarchy anymore. So next, the borders of the country of Mali. So I am going to show it in red. So first, let's erase all of these other things. Again, redraw Mali. Let's do this a bit bigger this time. Okay, so this time it's okay. So first, in the north and northeast is the country of Algeria. Okay, so there is Algeria. Next, in the east is the country of Niger, which just borders it a bit. Okay, so the next in the southeast is the country of Burkina Faso. I think it goes like this. Next in the south is the Ivory Coast. Okay, so next in southwest is the country of Guinea. Okay, so next in the west is Senegal. Senegal also has an exclave as the country of Gambia. So another thing, so Senegal and Mali were once just the same country. So when the French colonized this area, they, after some years of colonizing, they turned this area into French Sudan. So then again, the same year on which Mali got independence, just some months before, they joined it with Senegal. So after they got independence, it was named as the Mali Federation. So but just some months later, again months only, not even years, Senegal wanted to become a separate country, so it went away and Mali became the Mali Republic, not the Mali Federation anymore. Now it is a unitary state, not a federal state. Yes, so that was a bit of history about it. Okay, so next and finally in the northwest is the country of Mauritania. Okay, so those are the countries that border Mali. So the most of the country lies in the northern Sahara Desert. So all of this area is the Sahara. Yes, and also it is a desert. That means mostly people can't live in those harsh areas. There may be dust storms, and you know what happens in deserts. Heat. Yes. Okay. So Mali lies in the torrid zone and is among the hottest countries in the world. Yes. It lies in the area of the equator, on the earth, known as the torrid zone, where it is very tropical, but still very hot. Yes. And also perfectly, the equator, the prime meridian passes through it. So where time was invented, with the line. So it's the line. Okay. So because of that, it is very hot. Yes. So Mali has considerable natural resources like gold, the mineral that makes radiation, uranium, limestone, and kaolinite. And there are also many other minerals. Yes, it is very rich in minerals also. Yes. So the main environmental challenges are desertification. Yes, that means turning into desert. Next, deforestation, soil erosion, and inadequate water. So these are also some problems in some countries over here. Yes. So Mali is considered one of the poorest countries in the world. Yes, it is a pretty poor country. So this is for today about Mali. Bye.